creepy much? Okay, maybe we did.
Well, I can't have you telling anyone about the lab.
Uh-huh. Sounds like I should be calling CPS.
No, I need you girls to help me with my plan.
And what plan is that exactly?
Go get your sisters and follow me.
Whoa, what is that?
Is that a laser?
No.
Who are you?
I'm the doctor you saw in the lab.
Well, what is this thing?
My greatest achievement, a shrink ray.
And we need human subjects to test it on.
The doctor and I created this together.
Wait a minute, so you're telling us that the only reason you adopted us was so you could use us as your lab rats?
Not cool, dude.
Yeah, I think we'll pass on that.
Actually, we weren't asking.
Run!
Wait.
Pick a title, famous or queen. I mean, who wouldn't want to be royalty? Wait, Queen of Men? What does that even mean?
Hey girl, what's wrong?
I don't know, I just got a really weird title, Queen of Men.
Ooh, I wonder what that means.
Hey, somebody's looking nice today.
Ross, you literally have hated me since the 3rd grade.
You're too funny.
I think you can control men.
There's no way.
You have 10 missing assignments. I'm calling your parents.
Please don't tell them, I'm gonna get grounded.
Actually, on second thought, take as long as you need. I won't tell anyone, beautiful.
You can control them.
Hey, I did your chemistry homework. Thanks.
Go get me some Chick-fil-A, please.
Yeah, of course, anything for you.
You're kind of taking advantage of—
Go away, my crush is coming. Hey, Tyler. Go on a date with me?
Huh, maybe, but first, go break up with my girlfriend for me.
Now, your biological mom wants you back.
I don't care if you're not my real mom. I want to stay with you.
Police, open the door, please.
Oh no.
Please don't let them take me.
Honey?
Shh. She's sleeping. Sorry, but what did the officer tell you? That I'm supposed to give her back to her biological mom tomorrow. What? That can't be right. I promised her that she could stay with me. Oh, don't you worry. We'll figure this out.
Police.
I'll get it.
Miss Stevens?
Yes?
I'm here because we have reason to believe someone came to your house pretending to be an officer today. Him and his wife have been taken into custody.
Wait, so this means that I can keep her?
Your daughter? Yes, absolutely. We actually believe they were trying to kidnap her.
Honey, wake up. You don't have to worry anymore. You can stay with me.
Really?
Yeah, come here.
Wait!
We don't want to try out your machine.
Yeah!
It's okay, girls. You don't have to try it if you don't want to.
We don't?
No.
But sir, we only adopted them because—
That's enough, Doctor. We're not forcing them to do anything.
Thanks for taking us to get food, sir.
Girls, please, you don't have to call me sir.
Can we call you Dad?
Agnes,
I was just asking.
You can call me whatever you like.
I feel like Darren likes us.
I like him too.
But that doctor, she creeps me out.
Yeah, same.
Good night, girls.
Good night, Dad.
Dad?
Hello. I need you to come with me. It's time for you to try out the machine. Shh.
Look, my soulmate can control my hands or my hair. I think I'm gonna go with hands.
Oh, no you don't. That's very inappropriate. Pick hair.
But,
This isn't up for debate. Eat the other one.
fine. I swear, Mom, my soulmate better not give me a weird hairstyle. Bye, Mom, I'm going to school now.
Honey?
What? Oh, why won't these come out?
You may not remove hairstyle.
No, I can't go to class like this.
The preschool's that way.
Shut up, I didn't pick this hair, my soulmate did. If he gives me one more bad hairstyle, I'm done.
Sup, Wednesday?
What?
Have you not looked in a mirror?
That's not Wednesday, that's Thursday.
Wow, so clever.
Are you okay?
I'm so mad at my soulmate. He gave me this dumb hairstyle and I can't take it off, and people are calling me really mean names.
What? I think you look cute.
Well, thanks, but no one else does.
What do you want your hair to be?
I don't know, like curly hair, I guess.
Huh. Well, I hope it happens for you.
Wait, what? Time to see how much money my boyfriend has in his bank account. Not that that's important. I knew he had money, but not that much money. I'm gonna pay him a little visit.
Hey.
Hey, handsome.
I shouldn't tell him I know what's in his bank account.
So, baby, what do you want for Christmas?
Well, there is this Gucci bag that I really like, but you know what? What am I saying? You don't have to get me anything.
Come on. Of course I'm getting you something. In fact, you might get that Gucci bag as long as you're not too naughty.
I'll try.
Right now, why don't you go out and buy yourself whatever you need?
Okay.
Bad news.
What?
Fluffy's sick. The vet says she needs surgery.
Well, how much is it?
It's about $2,000. We can't afford it.
You know what? I think I got it covered.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Ah, good.
Babe, I'm
Whoa.
it.
Back. Listen, it's not what it looks
We
like.
can't break up. I need his money. I can't break up with him. I need his money.
Her and I are just friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Babe, I made a mistake. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We all make mistakes, and it was my bad, really. I should have knocked before coming in.
Thanks for understanding. She kinda made a mess. Do you think you can clean up? I gotta go to work.
Of course, honey. I'll clean, and you just go make the money.
Thanks, babe. Love you. Bye.
He is so dead.
I'm so happy Fluffy's okay, but how did you get the money to pay for her surgery?
Mom, about that. There's something that I need to tell you.
I can't believe he cheated on you.
I know, but now that Fluffy's okay, I think I'm gonna go break up with him.
What?
Looks like he just got another paycheck.
And you still have his credit card. Don't break up just yet. I have a plan for how you can get revenge.
Able to turn off your eyes or turn off your emotions? If I turned off my eyes, wouldn't I be blind? I'm gonna go with emotions. This is gonna be interesting. Let's try this out.
Emotions off.
Whoa, that was so weird.
They posted who got the lead in the play.
Can you check for me? I'm kind of nervous.
Of course, let me check. Okay, I got the results. I'm sorry, but you didn't get the part.
That's okay.
Hey,
Hey,
can we talk?
yeah, what'd you want to talk about?
This is hard to say, but I think we need to break up.
It's all good.
Wait, what?
After that, it's probably best I leave my emotions off.
Surprise, honey! I got you a car! What's the matter with you?
Sorry, Mom. One sec.
Honey?
Him unwrap me like a ooh. Get on top of him by the fireplace, oh. But I don't want no broken heart.
Hey, sweetie, Merry Christmas.
Who is she?
You know, I was about to ask you the same thing, but you look really familiar. Are you a model or something?
Actually, yes.
Figures.
I'm sorry, babe, but this girl was just leaving.
But you said...
No, stay. I think you're gonna want to see this. I actually got him a little something. Here you go, sweetheart.
Thanks.
Oh, wait, but first, before you open that, I believe this is mine, right?
Uh-huh. That's your Gucci bag. That's the one you wanted, right?
Yes, it is. Thank you. Okay, go ahead and open yours.
Alright. What's this?
Receipts of things that I bought this week.
Baby, 10K worth of stuff?
Oh, baby, you and I both know that you can afford it. Oh, and there's a card in there too. Go ahead and read that.
Roses are red, violets are blue, you're a dirty rotten cheater, I'm breaking up with you?
Merry Christmas.
Girl, let's get out of here.
I'm right behind you.
Wait! Ladies, I'll buy you anything!
No amount of money is worth being with him. Goodbye.
It started with the wine. The wine. We were shopping for a bottle to bring to her cousin's soiree.
My cousin, the sous chef, she's very gourmet.
I grabbed my favorite Cabernet.
He's got no clue, and so I say, darling, the wine.
Wine?
The wine, they're serving monkfish, so darling, the wine can't be red. How about this Austrian Riesling instead?
Honey, you know I don't like the Riesling. When have you ever seen me drink Riesling?
Never, but can't you listen this once? Red wine and fish, you'll look like a dunce.
Fine, I'll bring the red, bring the white. That way I'll still get drunk, you'll still be right.
Fine.
Fine.
No!
What's wrong, Holly?
My soulmate, Jared, he's 80% nice and 20% naughty, but that still means he's gonna be on the naughty list.
He is the son of Jack Frost.
But Winky, he saved my life last year. He's been nice. Plus, I think he's gonna propose to me soon.
Holly, your father wants to talk to you.
Yes, Dad?
Is it true that Jared is thinking of proposing?
Well, he's sort of been hinting at it.
He needs to be 100% nice before Christmas.
But Dad, Christmas is only a few days away.
If he is not off the naughty list, then you can't be together. I used my ice powers to make that for you. I hope you like it.
I love it, Jared. Thank you.
Hey, watch this.
No, Jared! You can't be using your ice powers like that.
Why not? It's funny.
Because you're still 20% naughty. And my dad said if you don't get on the nice list by Christmas, we can't be together anymore.
What? Have to get a 100% nice score?
Yeah, I'm sorry. My dad is super strict.
We have to be together. We're soulmates. Plus, I'm more nice than I am naughty.
I think my dad's just afraid that you're gonna turn into a supervillain just like your dad, Jack Frost.
I won't, and I'm gonna get a 100% score, just for you.
Well, if it isn't Santa's little daughter,
Who are you?
the Tooth Fairy's daughter, and I'm gonna be the one to marry Jared, not you.
What?
Nighty-night. Holly, wake up.
Is this dental floss?
Yep, and it's really strong, so you won't be getting free. Now to turn into you.
Huh?
Just watch me work my magic.
Ta-da! Why are you doing this? I had a crush on Jared first, so I'm gonna make him misbehave so you two can never be together. He's gonna know it's not me. We'll see about that.